how to transfer USDT from Binance to WhiteBIT. So if you want to transfer USDT from Binance to WhiteBIT, this video is for you. So first of all, after you open the Binance app like this now, tap on this profile at the top left side menu. After you come to this menu, now scroll to down and go to this account more services. Under the more services, now scroll to down. Now go to this withdraw fiat. So under the withdraw fiat, now make sure you choose this default withdraw. So tap on this option now to select the currency you want to withdraw. Just go ahead and search for the currency. After you select the currency like this one, so from there, this option says receive method. So after you select the currency, if it is available to withdraw from Binance or to transfer from Binance, so it will give you receive method like this one. So after you tap on the receive method like this one, now it will activate this continue button for you. So from there, it will give you access to fill in your bank information. After you fill in your bank information, it will ask you to specify the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the verification code. After you confirm the verification code, from there, the money will be transferred, or the USDT will be transferred from your Binance to your WhiteBIT account. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.